Guys, we are back out for our first hunt after level 3 lockdown is finished here in Auckland. So I'm back at one of my favourite spots here, and we've got a nice solid 17 signal, if you can see that. Solid 17 on the Vanquish. So we're going a little bit closer and see what we can find. Okay, so it's out of the hole, so it's in here somewhere. Ah, there we are, can you see that? What we got there? I'll just clean it up a little bit more and we'll take a closer look. Okay, hopefully you can see that. It is a Girl Guides badge or pin. It's missing the bar across the back, but it's definitely some sort of badge or pin. So that's pretty cool, happy with that. So nice first find of the day. So what I'll do is I'll clean that up when I get home, and we'll put a photo somewhere in the video, and I'll put a little bit more information if I can find out sort of the age or whatever. So very cool. Cheers guys. Okay, so we're on to another target under this apple tree here. It's coming up as a solid 10. I've dug down here, so we'll see if we can find it. Found something here. What have we got? Not sure what that is. Bit of metal or something. Oops, oh, don't want to lose it. Let's check the rest of the... Oh, here we go. What have we got there? Looks like it could be part of a necklace or something. Okay, we'll keep going and see if we can find any more bits. Oh yep, I can see another piece here. Oh yeah, it's definitely part of a chain. Oh, far out. Let's check the hole. Oh yeah, there's a piece. Let's keep going. Oh, far out. Now we've got some sort of stone. No idea if it's real or not, but far out. Got some good pieces there. Might carry on in the hole. Actually, I'll put these in my... I need to clean these up and see if there's any markings. But that's pretty cool. So I'll put this in my pocket and we'll just see if there's anything else. What I'll do is I'll pause the video and I'll keep going and we'll see what else we can find. Okay, so that's pretty much all the pieces I could find. Looks like there's a bit of a chain there, and guessing some links, whether it's a real stone or just like costume jewelry, I'm not sure. But yeah, very stoked with that. So we will, I've put the detector over the hole, couldn't find anything else, so we will clean this up and I'll maybe add some info at the end of the video. Cheers. Okay, so we're just heading home, just doing a sweep on the way, and I've got this really nice 34-35 signal. and it's not far under the ground, only about 4 inches. So I've just popped the trowel down, and hopefully we can just find it with the pinpointer here. Oh yep, there it is, going off already. See if we can find. Okay, got it here. What have we got there? Oh, cool. Nice copper, I think it's copper guide dog badge. Oh yes, still got the number and everything on the back, like a registration and phone number. So yeah, that's cool. So we will try and track down the owner of that, or the previous owner.